So what's the benefit of system monitoring? System performance and security may be maintained with regular system monitoring. Absolutely right. Whenever you are working on your system, that should be monitored regularly. Because what happened if your CPU load is going high and your memory is highly utilized, so you should be aware and you can do in the proper time. You can do which process is taking more memory, which process is taking more CPU, and your disk is going to full. You need to reduce some you need to remove the logs from your file and some unwanted files which is not required, like in old databases some backups are there. So system monitoring is very much required. Okay, so how we can do over this one is the network monitoring utilities. Network monitoring utility is just like IP. Show what interface are available on your system. Port scanner Nmap is using here, and packet sniffers like TCP and Wireshark. Wireshark is just a tool for the graphic interface, but TCP term we will use here for our packet capturing. Is the just I'm giving you the small example about this one. So just like IP is not you can show IP show link. Oops, oops. Okay, IP link show. Yes, it will show you the ETS 0, ETS 1. It's just like the if config you are giving, but it's the same, almost same output. Same, you can only give the IP DDR show. So it will only show the IP addresses here, and same you can different things that they are available, like only IP route you want to rule, tunnel, okay, mroute, monitor, IP monitor show. So argument show is unknown IP monitor. So it will monitor your IP. So no other. Okay, if someone will use, I will. Okay, I will. Right now, you can only think about the IP address show and some IP link show, and yeah, other utilities are there. Netstat, that is very good utility. It will if it is, it will all check receive links, send links, local addresses, foreign addresses. But how is it now? It is checking the real time. Is the Netstat is AN. Okay, it will show everything. A means just show all the listening and connected sockets. N is done. It will not resolve the IP address to host name. It will show the IP addresses only. See here, all everything it is connected, listening and sockets, everything. So mostly what we will using, we are using NTLP. NT is name should not be resolved, T for TCP, L for listen, P for ports. It will only show, see here is the TCP ports only. It will show, see in the first column it will always show the TCP. After that, L for listen it will show, and after that here PID and program names will also come. P is just for the show PID and name of the programs. And if you want to see the UDP, you can press the U. It will show all the UDP ports which are right now open in your system. That is a very good it is a very good utility. And the next is the Nmap. Nmap is the networking remote view. You can give the Nmap to any machine, like Nmap localhost. It will show which imports are available right now. See 22, 23, 111 RPC bind, IPP unknown, one port is open. So this is the IP trace. Even you can just see, and I'm giving Nmap. My Windows machine I'm giving 192.168 1 dot. I hope so. Its address is 5. So it will just search that IP, and after that it will start scanning the ports. So we have the different options for the Nmap, like different we have, we will use them with the SS SU. So I will explain. Okay, it was taking a long time. Okay, no issues. Firstly I will just check ping is happening. Okay, great. If ping is happening, then definitely it will go there and give the information. In the other terminal, no, still going on. I will open one more terminal, no problem. I'm giving a root red hat. Red hat is my password, but that should in the real world that will be not my password, because it is very easy password and easy to trace. For this, I have talking about the security policies. This is the one of the first security. Your password should be very complicated. Like I'm giving nmap hyphen small s and capital S. Small is just like small s is the sync in the packets and scan. Then UDP hyphen s scan UDP. All the UDP protocols. Hyphen s capital R is R for the just port map services RPC, and for other like version it will detect, and before start it should be it will ping the service, and then we will give p0, and it will give the verbose option there, and then you can give localhost. I'm just giving you a small example. It discover open ports here, and then sync. Uh, if you see here, and firstly initiated as sync style scan against the local host. After this one, open the sync style and health took 0.8 second to scan 1680 total ports. Initiating UDP scan against the local host. This one UDP scan took 1.33 seconds to scan in this one. Initiated service on 9 services on the local host. Discovered this is the UDP ports is actually open, so it will taking some more time. You see here it's completed now. So what it did it a little bit go up. Okay, so now it's just see here. Service can took a total of 57.26 seconds to scan the 9 services on one host. Initiated RPC, like after that UDP, it will start the RPC protocol, RPC ports. For OS scan, port 22 is open, port 22 is open, one is closed, neither are firewalled. Host this one appears to be good, interesting ports. This one not showing 3158 close ports. Total is give the all over summary here. As a TCP RAM 23 is for telnet is opened. Heavy status it is showing. That's this is the only thing I'm talking. I just want to tell it will give the complete thoroughly detail about the which ports are open. If you give any remote IP also, it will give the whole information. Means if your telnet port is open, you can hackers are using only these type of the tools where they can come to know which ports are open. They will try continuously that port, uh, just just go into your server so that they can do anything like crash your server, some steal your data also, and multiple things they can do. It's all depends upon the how hackers are think is a good hacker or bad hacker. Yeah, Nmap has also the graphical interface also. That is Nmap.avi. In that you can use in the genome environment. Right now I cannot do because I am working on the putty, okay, on the CLI mode. After that, file system analysis, that is very much required. File system analysis is just like how much space is there, df and th. If you are giving, it will show the file system utilization used 47%, your boot is used 24%, home is 3%. It will give you the exact information what is there. So file system is the one of the main thing you need to monitor. If your slash is full, you cannot do anything, because slash is full. That means your system will not updating. Verilog will application will stop automatically, and you will be definitely in a big trouble. After that, next is if you want to see the only just one file, like I'm giving you where log message. Okay, see here 4 KB only. Okay, let's assume one more. uh, boot.log, okay, 0. And in this I can take, okay, take slash home star. It will show what are the files are there. It will show the size of that file. So it is a very good command. Sometimes you need to check which file is taking more space. You need to give them time du, okay, sh is just show file for the human format. Okay, if you don't give, it will show you in normal kbs. It's a little bit tough for you to understand. Convert, you need to convert it, and the h it will show in the mb, kb, and gb also. Okay, so next we have, yeah, is the typical problematic permissions. Like sometimes what happened, some of the files the permission is not acceptable. Your permission you have given, that is really you are just inviting hackers to access to your machine. Like some of the files, if you want, some of the files which are you need to search the file where no user and no group permission is there. So that type of files is very much problem. You can say that is very problematic files. The files directory with others write permissions. No file should be just like write permission should be there for write. You are aware of that one. If I'm giving f4 is just the type of file, permission should be -002, means who has the two permission. Two means write permission on the file. Same you can find. Okay, what I will try, we will try this command, find slash hyphen type file hyphen permission 002. It will search the files who has the right permission on others. Let's, I will home, no one is there. Okay, I will create one file, cd slash home ls. Okay, a lot of files are there. Okay, what I will do, I will take this file chmod. Okay, firstly I will check what the permission is there. Yes, see here is right now read write only for the owner. But what I will do now, I will change the permission to, right now is the 606 for this particular. Oh, changing permission for this operation not permitted. Okay, is not giving me permission to. Okay, I will, what I will do, I will do for the swap file ls-l swap file read. Okay, great. What I will do, I will give for the swap file. Now see here what the permission is, the read write means you have the right permission for others also. Okay, now I can find, oh, oops. Oh, great, I forgot hyphen. Oh, so there's the, now it's no fine. So this type of the file should be removed from your system. Same thing, if you want to find a search and a directory, you can need to give only d. But right now we don't have any uh, directory whose others permission has writable permissions for other.